My name is Luis Chavez.
I'm Julian Hernandez.
We're going to tell you about 2 classes you should take at Northside High School. Right across the hall is photography with Miss Hasley. Let's take a look. We're going to interview our young guest, young Jalil, and see what they do in this class. Jalil,
What's up, man?
can you give them a little speech of what you're doing?
Fundamentals of photography. This class, ones who are interested in photoshopping and taking photos of people, I suggest you take it, You study the fundamentals of it and the elements, and you also, if you take photos like this and everything, you can edit them, to your standards and how you want it to be. You can, you can blur things out, you can color things in, whatever you want to do in those programs on the computer, man, it's all up to you.
Here's an example of what they do.
All right, this is TV broadcast and journalism. Let's take a look at this right here is where all the anchoring goes on. You see, you want the spotlight. Basically, you gotta go through fundamentals first. Fundamentals is all about, it's a little bit draggy at first, but it's the process to learning to be able to do everything you see on the news on Friday. And if you want to be on the news on Friday and have the spotlight in here, you have to learn that first. And it takes a whole year. So join the junior, as a junior, And here is where you do all the editing. This is probably the most difficult part of the job. You have to put everything in an organized fashion, well, at least well enough to be able to look smooth and make it nice on the news. We don't want to embarrass anybody, I'm Julian Hernandez, and I'm out here, take this class next year, fundamentals. One day you'll be advanced. See y'all later.
Now I do what I want. 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 Everybody know I'm better. Ay, yeah, I'm better. Ay, it don't matter. Ay, pockets fatter. Ay, nowadays I'm on my haters, they got sadder. Ay, that's money longer. Ay, different song, bruh. Ay, different producer. I can do anything and I won't lose her. She got